Sharing resources in Google Classroom. To share files, quizzes, and resources in your Google Classroom, click on the Classwork tab. Then click on Create. You can choose from a wide variety of different options. We're going to click on Material. Enter a title. Enter a short description. You can then add files from your Google Drive or from your computer. You can add a YouTube clip or you can add a link to a website. You can also click on Create to create a document, slides, sheets, drawing or form directly into the material. This will then take you to a new form or the app that you selected. To add more items, click on the object, then click on Edit Material, and that will take you back in so that you can add more items. You can add as many items as you would like. You can also choose which class you would like to send this to. You can click on multiple classes if you're sharing the resource with multiple students. You can also click to select which students you would like to send it to. And you can organize your work by creating different topics. If you are not ready to post the assignment straight away, you can click on the little drop-down arrow. This will allow you to schedule the assignment to be shown on a certain date or save it as a draft. Once it's posted, it will appear in Classwork for the students to access.